Golgappa, also known as Panipuri, is a popular Indian street meal served as a snack in various parts of the Indian subcontinent. This translates to crispy spicy watery balls in English. These are semolina-based fried crisp and golden hollow porous. They're then stuffed with a spicy cooked potato and chickpea filling and topped with tamarind chutney, which is sweet and sour. And the finishing touch of cold mint and coriander-flavored spicy water is heavenly. Panipuri is also known as Gol Gappa, Pakodi, Puchka, and Panipuri. This type of street food is known as Panipuri or Panipuri in Mumbai. They are known as Golgappa in the northern part of India. Fuchka is another name for them in West Bengal. The basic Panipuri, Golgappa filling is made by mashing boiled and peeled potatoes with black salt, cumin powder, chili powder, and amchur powder.
ये लो बेटा शायरी पान दोनों ले ले एक प्लेट पानी पूरी अभी कितने देर रह गई 50 सेकंड हैं 50 सेकंड वो तो शुक्र है कस्टमर की प्लेट आ गई है हाँ वरना मुश्किल हो जाता नहीं फिर भी कर तो लेते अपन कोई ना कोई से हाँ भाई बस थोड़ी क्या होगा